Hello, James Graney here from InternetBizUni.com, and in today's video I'm going to be explaining to you where you should be selling your products in 2019. So as I always do with my videos, I'm going to be giving it to you from my own perspective, where I'm selling products from, so that you can kind of just benefit from what I've learned from selling products online, my own branded products since 2013. So I'm going to jump straight into it now and just give you the two places that you should be selling your products in 2019 when selling your products online. Well, number one is Amazon. So again, you may or may not be aware of Amazon FBA, so I'm just going to briefly explain it to you. I know that most of the people who watch this channel already know what Amazon FBA is all about, but there might be one or two of you that don't know, so I'm going to briefly explain it. So basically what FBA stands for is Fulfillment by Amazon, and what it allows you to do is send your products, so your own branded products, into Amazon's warehouse, and when a customer orders it, then Amazon deliver the product for you. So again, if you have your own brand, you can get your own branded products manufactured in China, get your products sent from China to Amazon's FBA warehouse all over the world, because Amazon are in so many different countries at this stage, and simply once a customer orders your product, then Amazon will fulfill that order for you. So it's really simple how it works, and yeah, basically it's the easiest place to get started when selling your own branded products online. And that's for the simple reason that Amazon has so much trust built up already. So if a customer has never ever heard of your branded products before and see them on Amazon, they'll still buy them because they trust Amazon. They trust Amazon's customer service, they trust Amazon's reviews, and they just trust Amazon as an establishment. Whereas when you go out and start selling your own branded products first, anywhere else, customers are a bit wary of you. They don't know anything about your brand. They probably have never heard of you before. And yeah, they just don't have the same amount of trust as they would when they come across it on Amazon. They don't think twice about buying it if that's what they are looking for. So that's definitely number one, is that you're selling your products on Amazon simply for the amount of trust that they have. As well as this, Amazon just simply make it very easy to sell across the entire world. Like before Amazon FBA came along, it would be very difficult to launch products in the US if you're based anywhere else around the world. So for example, if you're based in Ireland, you would have found it very difficult to sell your own branded products into the US. But Amazon simply make this a lot easier because they have FBA, so you can simply send your products over there and Amazon look after all of the fulfillment. As well as this, Amazon are massive in the UK as well as the US, and they make it very easy to sell to Europe. So basically all you need is a Seller Central account in the UK, and you can get your orders fulfilled from the UK and sent across Europe to all of the different Amazon marketplaces in Europe. The same goes for America. All you have to do is set up on Amazon.com and you can start selling your products to customers in America, and you can easily start selling your products also to customers in Canada and Mexico from your Amazon.com Seller Central account. As well as this, Amazon are always opening new marketplaces. So I think it was last year or the year before, they opened Australia. So again, Australia isn't massive yet, but they're building it slowly, and over time Amazon Australia will become a big marketplace. Japan is another Amazon marketplace that you can sell on. I don't personally sell on Japan or Australia yet, but I sell on the other ones. And yeah, I just expect Amazon to take over the new markets when they go in there, because they have the trust built up in the existing marketplaces already, and the way the world is so connected at this time, that word spreads. So it's so easy for Amazon to go into a new market and just dominate it from the start, and that is definitely what they are doing more and more of. So it just makes it easier to expand your brand worldwide and sell your products worldwide than basically if you didn't have Amazon. Now, the second place that you should be selling on in 2019, and this is one that not many talk about, but it's through your own sales funnel. So basically what a sales funnel is is your own website. But the whole thing about a funnel is that it makes it a lot easier to do split testing and to upsell and downsell products to people who have already purchased. So basically what it allows you to do is use the data that you're gathering all the time to make decisions on how to change your website about to improve the conversion rate on your own funnel. Basically, yeah, you will customers come to your website, they'll make a purchase, and then you can either upsell this customer or downsell them to a lower ticketed item or upsell them to a higher ticketed item. And again, all of this is so easy to do nowadays. There's so many different softwares out there, and it's something that you should definitely be doing. And why funnels are working so much better than your average website is because it just makes gathering the data so easy, so you know how traffic is performing once it comes to your site, and then just making the decisions, tweaking around your site so that it actually converts better for the traffic that you're sending to it. As well as this, you can also have affiliates promoting your product, so that anyone with a following can simply promote your products. They can show them to their audience, they can explain what your products are about, and when a customer comes on through their link and makes a purchase, then the affiliate gets paid. So it's basically paying for advertisement through affiliates. So getting people to actually promote your products to their customers and them getting the benefits of receiving commission if the customers go on and make a purchase. And the final point, what makes your own funnel so good as well, and why you should be selling off it in 2019, is retargeting. So if you haven't heard of retargeting ads, they're very simple. It's basically anyone who comes to your website, you can retarget with an ad. So you can retarget them on Google with Google ads. So any website on Google, you can retarget them by simply cookieing them when they come to your site. And you can also retarget them on Facebook. So using Facebook pixels, you can pixel them when they come onto your site and retarget them with Instagram ads and Facebook ads. And this is so powerful today because so many people are using social media. And yeah, it's simply a great way for you to be able to use the data that you have gathered from customers that have visited your site and retarget them with suitable ads, data-driven ads. So you're not simply just pumping ads at them that they maybe have no interest in the product. You know what they have viewed it in your site, and you can simply run ads to them around this. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I really wanted to shoot this video just to kind of let you know about the different ways that I am selling products in 2019, so that you can follow along and do the same thing. I'll be putting out a lot more videos around both of these subjects, Amazon FBA as always, and as well as that around funnels, the different funnels I'm building, things that are working for me, etc. So yeah, if you have interest in any of the courses that I created, you can drop down to the description below and put your name on the waiting list, so that when I do open these courses again in the future, I will notify you when they are open. And that's the unique private label course and the advanced private label course, and both of the links are down in the description below. So I hope that you have enjoyed this video, and I look forward to speaking to you on the next one. Bye.